The Viking Designer EPIC sewing and embroidery machine does have the feature of having Wi-Fi. Now, what does that really mean to you and your embroidery? One of the things that I like is to download the mySewMonitor. That's an app. It's a free app that you download. And with that, when you are working through an embroidery design, you can have your phone or iPad notify you that your embroidery needs color changing. Maybe it's finished, maybe it pops up a message and says it's running low on bobbin. So if you've wandered off, this is a fabulous technology right at our fingertips. So many of us have our phones in our pocket at all times, and it will kind of alarm you to come back, change colors, or switch to the next hooped project that you have planned without wasting a lot of time. Maybe you just get started in a 30-minute long color area, and then the thread breaks 2 minutes in. You are notified, so you are not standing around thinking you've got 30 minutes to get things done and then realize that 28 minutes ago you needed to be attending the machine. So I love using that. Of course, you should always stay close to your embroidery machine while it's running. But like I said, if you tend to wander off, this is a fabulous piece of technology that allows you to keep an eye on your embroidery machine when you're not in the room.